Hello everyone and welcome back to the Smarter Smart Home channel, your ultimate guide to exploring the world of smart home technology. In today's video, we are going to explore DIY security systems, an affordable and interconnected way to secure your home in 2023. Before we get started, as always, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for updates on our latest content. Why is home security paramount? According to Forbes Home, a home burglary happens every 25.7 seconds, with each break-in lasting approximately 8 to 10 minutes. The year 2020 alone witnessed 522,426 burglaries. These numbers underscore the urgency for reliable home security solutions. However, it's crucial to remember that not all devices are compatible with each other. Therefore, before purchasing a product, always check its compatibility with your existing smart home ecosystem. Look for compatibility information on the product's packaging or online product description, and don't hesitate to contact the manufacturer's customer service for further clarification. One of the advantages of building your own smart home security system is the ability to start with a basic kit and add components over time. This approach allows homeowners to build a customized security system that fits their budget and specific needs. By gradually expanding the system, you can save money while enhancing the security of your home. To begin, invest in a starter kit that typically includes essential components such as a hub, security cameras, and sensors. The hub serves as the central control unit, allowing you to connect and manage all the devices in your security system. Start by placing security cameras strategically around your property to capture video footage and deter potential intruders. Additionally, install door and window sensors to detect unauthorized entry. As your budget allows, you can gradually add more devices to enhance your security system. Consider incorporating motion sensors that can detect movement both indoors and outdoors, providing an additional layer of protection. Smart lighting systems can be integrated to automatically turn on lights in response to specific events, creating the illusion of an occupied home even when you're away. For increased convenience and control, you can incorporate smart locks that allow you to remotely lock and unlock your doors using a smartphone app. This feature is particularly useful for granting access to trusted individuals or service providers when you're not at home. If you prefer a comprehensive security solution in a single package, there are several brands that offer full DIY security kits. These kits typically include a variety of devices designed to work together seamlessly. Be sure to conduct thorough research on the features, compatibility, and customer reviews of different brands before making a purchase decision. You can find all this info and more at our webpage, thesmartersmarthome.com. DIY smart home security systems offer an affordable and interconnected way to secure your home in. By starting with a basic kit and gradually expanding the system, homeowners can build a customized security solution that fits their budget and specific needs. The interconnectivity of devices from different manufacturers creates a cohesive security network, allowing for seamless integration and comprehensive protection. In a world where home burglaries occur frequently, investing in a DIY smart home security system provides peace of mind and proactive protection for your loved ones and property. Embrace the power of affordable, adaptable, and interconnected security systems to safeguard your home in 2023 and beyond. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information insightful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments below which smart home security devices you're using. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out our latest blog post where we explore further into DIY smart home security systems. The link is in the description box below. Join us next time as we continue to navigate the world of smart home technology together, empowering you to make informed decisions and create a truly connected living space. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart.